Amsterdam, and the beautiful water, or a waterway, is right there. As we back up into our room, we do have a little bench that we can sit and enjoy the views. As we continue along the wall, we have our mini bar and we have a record player. There's a library of records downstairs. The water is free, the coffee is free. Heineken's $5 or €5, I mean. And then in here, we have our tea kettle cups, mini bar for purchase, and then another mini bar. It looks like the whiskey is gonna be €9.50. So this is a really cool section, another window you can enjoy. Staying along the walls, we do have a full-length mirror all the way to the top of the ceiling, and the ceiling or the walls are a bit concrete. Cool minimalist design. We have our TV here, our open concept closet or place to hang our stuff, and the robes are denim, which is really cool. I have not seen that before. A few hangers, and then I think that is another robe, potentially, another robe, and then some black slippers. There's a place under here you can put your other bags in as well. Here is our sink for our bathroom, and the light in there says shine bright like a diamond. We can look at our products. This is the brand, and then the hair dryer is right in here. Nice felt bag. Brass fixtures. And then we'll continue along the wall. We'll open up the rest of the bathroom. Let's see if I can find a light. Light switch is right here. Seems to be all marble or marble style. We have the toilet right there. Some towels right above. There seems to be a temperature control in here. I haven't seen it outside. And then we have a good size shower, double head, a rainfall one, as well as a handheld shower with the same product brands right there. We'll come back out, we'll look at the front door. It's just a map here. It doesn't show like a maximum room rate, but it shows our location. 612 is the room. And then let me show you where you'll be sleeping. Right in this nice king bed, cool design. We have more storage, TV remotes right there. More of the blue. And then up here, we have a guitar, some more vibes up here. The light is really cool. This room is very nice. Red phone. Watch out, folks. This is the room.